I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to change your SIM card with Bouygues without any interruptions, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Power off your device. Before you start, make sure to turn off your phone. This prevents any potential damage to the SIM card or the device itself during the swap. Step 2. Locate the SIM card tray. Find the SIM card tray on your device. This is usually on the side or back of the phone, depending on the model. Use the SIM eject tool if needed. Step 3. Remove the old SIM card. Gently remove the old SIM card from the tray. Be careful not to touch the gold contacts to avoid any damage. Step 4. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it fits snugly and aligns with the tray shape. Make sure the cut corner matches the tray. Step 5. Power on your device. Once the new SIM is in place, power on your device. Wait for it to recognize the new SIM card, which may take a few moments. If you see a message saying no SIM card, double check that the card is seated correctly in the tray. I hope this helps you switch your SIM card smoothly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.